Are you watching prices climb and wondering if you've missed your chance to get into the Caledon real estate market? Or maybe you're a homeowner watching your property sit on the market, wondering what's really going on? Here's the thing. While median prices in Caledon jumped nearly 8% in November, homes are actually taking 3 full months to sell when you look behind the curtain. So the question is, are we seeing a true market rebound, or is this your golden opportunity to negotiate as a buyer? Today, we're diving deep into the November 2025 Caledon market data, and I'm going to show you exactly what these numbers mean for your next move, whether you're buying, selling, or investing. Let me start by explaining why I analyze month over month data rather than just year over year comparisons. Think about it this way. If you were in the market to sell or buy a home right now, would you want to know what happened last November? Or would you want the most current intelligence about what's happening today? Month over month analysis gives us real time market pulse, and that's exactly the kind of actionable information that separates savvy investors from those who get left behind. Now, I'm going to walk you through a lot of numbers today, and I do this intentionally. Numbers are what I focus on because I don't want you to believe what someone thinks is happening in the market. The numbers spell out everything. They remove emotion, they remove speculation, and they give you the data you need to arm yourself and become a better real estate investor. So let's dig in. According to the Toronto Real Estate Board's latest market report for Caledon, we're seeing some fascinating dynamics that most people are completely missing. The headline grabber is that the median price for all property types hit $1,147,500 in November, which represents a 7.9% increase from October's $1,064,000. On the surface, that sounds like a seller's market, right? But hold on, because the story gets much more interesting. Let's break this down by property type, starting with detached homes. The median price for detached properties reached $1,300,000 in November, up 6.4% from October's $1,221,500. There were 118 new listings that hit the market, and the average days on market was 33 days. Now, here's where it gets critical. The property days on market, which counts how long a home has actually been available, including relists, was 90 days. That's 3 full months, folks. What does this tell us? It means that while a home might appear to sell in 33 days, many properties are being delisted and relisted to reset their visibility, likely because they were overpriced initially or because buyer interest at higher price points is moving slowly. This is a massive red flag for sellers who think they can overprice their home, and it's a huge opportunity signal for buyers who know how to negotiate. Moving to freehold townhouses, the median price was $820,000 in November, up 3% from October's $796,000. New listings totaled 23 properties, with days on market at 29 days and property days on market at 66. While townhouses are moving slightly faster than detached homes, we're still seeing that significant gap between initial listing time and total market time, which again points to pricing adjustments and market hesitation. Now, here's something crucial that you need to understand. Despite these month over month price increases, we're still seeing year over year declines across the board. Detached homes are down 5.8% year over year. Freehold townhouses are down 10.9%, and all properties combined are down 7.6%. Caledon's 5 year growth is modest, ranging from just 2 to 8%, which suggests we experience cooling after earlier gains. So, what's really happening here? Caledon is showing volatility. Prices rose in November, but homes are sitting significantly longer behind the scenes. The overall property days on market of 84 days is notably higher than the Greater Toronto Area average, which was around 68 days in November. This means Caledon properties are being delisted and relisted more frequently than the regional average, pointing to pricing challenges and extended marketing periods. If you're finding value in this content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you know someone on their own real estate journey who could benefit from this information, be sure to share this video with them. Your support helps me continue creating valuable content for you. Here's my take as both a real estate professional and a licensed mortgage broker. We're in a buyer's market with significant negotiating power, especially on properties that have been listed for extended periods. When you see a detached home that's been on the market for 90 property days, that seller is likely feeling pressure. They've already gone through the cycle of overpricing, waiting, delisting, and relisting. That's when you can come in with a strategic offer that makes sense for your investment goals. For sellers, the message is clear. Pricing strategy is everything right now. The market will not reward overpricing. You need to price competitively from day one, or you risk becoming part of that 90-day property days on market statistic, which ultimately weakens your negotiating position. For investors, this is particularly interesting. Year over year, prices are down, but month over month shows some recovery momentum. This creates a window where you can potentially acquire properties at favorable prices while positioning yourself for future appreciation as the market stabilizes. The key is understanding the micro trends within specific neighborhoods and property types. So here's what I want you to do next. If you're serious about making a move in the Caledon real estate market, whether you're buying your first home, selling your current property, or building your investment portfolio, I want you to book a call with me through my Calendly link, which you'll find in the description below. We can talk about all things real estate, and I can provide you with an in depth analysis of a potential home purchase or a comprehensive home evaluation. Remember, I'm also a licensed mortgage broker, which means I can assist you in securing a new mortgage or restructuring your existing one to better align with your financial goals. The data we've covered today is powerful, but it's what you do with this information that matters. Don't let another month go by making decisions based on outdated information or gut feelings. Let's use these numbers to craft a strategy that puts you in the strongest position possible. Stay savvy, stay informed, stay knowledgeable, and until next time, may your investments flourish and your dreams of home ownership become a reality. Catch you in the next one.